sections of Barnet Lane, Montego Bay, St. James, erupted in a frenzy yesterday afternoon, when hundreds of thousands of dollars were discovered hidden in the personal belongings of a mentally challenged man, living along the lane. Dozens of commuters quickly gathered at the scene, and stared in bewilderment on seeing cash being removed from dozens of orange juice boxes, D&G soda bottles, and large plastic bags. Mr. Reporter, a long time me know this ya man live ya so, and none a win ever know say him so rich, one resident told the Weekend Star. Richard Gilling, a mechanic who operates from the location, said that he is familiar with Lion, the mentally challenged man's nickname, since 1992. Him bottle up old oil and sell taxi drivers, and him will help a man jack up him vehicle and get a smalls, Gilling said. But no one never know say him have so much money. Me'd ya so from 1990, and me never know say Lion so rich. The Weekend Star learnt that Lion took ill some time ago, and residents along Barnet Lane started to take notice that his condition was getting worse. Grew concerned yesterday afternoon, they called in a medical team from the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and he was taken to the facility where he was treated and admitted. A female resident of Barnet Lane grew concerned at the state of his makeshift house, and decided to clean up the environment. She received the shock of her life, after she checked some of the garbage she was about to dispose of, and discovered that some of the trash was stuffed with cash. Further search led to the discovery of hundreds of $100, $50 and $500 notes, which were stuffed away in items such as drink boxes and plastic bottles. Several residents lent a hand in counting the cash, but it was a hard task based on the large amount of small notes. The cash, which was estimated in the region of hundreds of thousands, was given to one individual for safekeeping,